Subject: Qin Shi Huang. Classification: The King of Kings. Height: 5'9". Identifiers: blindfolded eyes, ornate imperial armor, calm royal composure, divine slaying pressure points. Movement patterns: absolute. Noticeable tendencies: redirects damage through living key flow. Containment: ineffective. Risk level: royal punishment. Final advisory:
Know your station.
What?
The place in which I sit matters not. For wherever I sit, that seat shall become my throne.